Kaya ang nais ni Lord, from believing, tayo ay mag-go to that level of genuinely loving Him. Kasi these three will remain, faith, hope, and love. But the greatest is love. At itong nais ni Lord na sa buhay natin, ang tibok ng puso natin, love, dove. Love, dove. Yung dove, Holy Spirit. Love, dove. Yan ang ating tibok ng puso, love, dove, because we love God with all our hearts. Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 5, ang sabi doon, love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your soul, and with all your strength. Mahalin daw natin ang ating Diyos ng buong puso, buong kaluluwa, buong kaisipan, at ng buong kalakasan. The love of God can be willed. Meaning sa the love of God can be willed, ito ay kailangan nating desisyonan. Desisyonan natin na mahalin ang Diyos. Hindi ito feeling, hindi ito emotion na, grabe, love na love ko si God, feel na feel ko talaga. Mga kapatid, it's not a feeling, it's not an emotion, it is a decision. God loved me so much, He died for me on the cross, He suffered, kaya naman, I am deciding to love Him. At hindi lang yun, mga kapatid, love also is an act of the heart, mind, soul, and will, might. Ang love ay isang action. Tayo magde-decide to love Him. It is also an action. Kaya action na natin. At salamat sa Lord, last anniversary natin nakita ng mga visitors natin how we love God by our actions. Nakita nila paano tayo umaksyon, paano tayo nag-move with all our hearts. Na-feel nila yung ating decision, ang ating action. Kaya naano nila na talagang love na love nila si Lord. All out, they want to do their best for the God that they are praising and worshiping. Mga kapatid, ito ang dreamer. Ang dreamer dapat andun ng tatlo, faith, hope, and love. And love is the greatest because love conquers all. Kahit ang ating faith medyo humihina, basta andun ang love natin kay God, ang ating faith ay marirescue at marireinforce ng ating love for God. Pa ang ating hope ay medyo umaandap-andap, ang future, ang tomorrow natin, para bang nagbablard, ang love conquers all. Kayang liwanagin muli ang future. Kaya nga, and the greatest of this is love. Because God is love. Kaya si God mismo ang love. Kaya pag sa heart natin, nagdesisyon tayo na si God ang andun lamang nag-i-stay. Siya lamang ang ating nakikita everyday. Siya ang ating ka-fellowship everyday. At siya ang ating model at tayo dahan-dahang nagdi-desire na matulad the way He thinks, the way He talks, the way He do things, and the way He lives, ang direksyon natin towards Him, ang love ni God maging so real sa ating life. Let us go back to 1 Corinthians 13:13. Basahin natin lahat muli. Mga kapatid, ready, go. And now these three remain, faith, hope, and love, but the greatest of this is love. Kaya ang isang dreamer, ang love, ang siyang mag-activate ng faith at ng hope. Let us remain in God's love, and His love will enable us to conquer all. Not by might nor by power, but by His Spirit, flowing in our hearts because of love.